mayroon akong kwento. Ano yon? Well, stick around and find out. Kumusta po kayo? My name is Jay. Welcome back to my channel, the channel that is dedicated in guiding you in your journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. Mayroon akong kwento. In this story, I will show you how to use Tagalog markers. If you have been following my channel, some of them will sound familiar to you. Some not much. I've talked about some of them extensively in past videos. I will also be using pronouns that we have already learned in my past videos. I'm providing a link to those who want to check them out. Tara, simulan natin ang kwento. Ito ang kwento ko. Ito si Tess. Si Tess ay ang asawa ko. Oo, siya ang asawa ko. Side note, asawa is gender neutral. It means both husband and wife. Got it? Ito naman si Christina. Si Christina ay ang anak ko. Siya ay ang anak kong babae. Side note, naman is one of those Tagalog words which is hard to translate. In the context of this story, it means also, likewise, or on the other hand. You will hear this word a lot in conversational Tagalog. There are other contextual meaning, but that is a lesson for another day. Ituloy natin. Ito naman si Anton. Si Anton ay anak ko rin. Siya ay ang anak kong lalaki. Sina Christina at Anton ay ang mga anak ko. Oo, mga anak ko sila. Side note, anak is also gender neutral. If you wish to be specific, you can say anak na lalaki for son or anak na babae for daughter. To say my son is anak kong lalaki in the casual form or ang aking anak na lalaki in the formal form. The rule on ligature applies to the word that is preceding the adjective lalaki or male. Got it? Let's continue. Noong isang araw, kinausap ako ni Tess, ang asawa ko. Sabi niya, tara, pumunta tayo sa mall. Bakit? Ang tanong ko. Sumagot si Tess, kasi gusto ni Christina ng bagong damit. Gusto ni Christina ng bagong damit. Ang sabi pa ni Tess, gusto rin ni Anton ng bagong sapatos. Gusto rin ni Anton ng bagong sapatos. Ang sabi ko kay Tess, gusto pala nila ng mga bagong gamit. Side note, I have talked about the expression pala in another video. The link is in the description down below if you want to check it out. Sumagot si Tess, oo, gusto ko rin ng mga bagong gamit para sa kusina. Ang tanong ko naman, anong mga bagong gamit para sa kusina? Sumagot si Tess, gaya ng malaking kaldero, ng maliit na syansi, at ng mga bagong kutsara at tinidor. Kaya ang sabi ko, sige, mamimili tayo sa mall. Maghanda na kayo at pupunta tayo sa mall. Kaya ayun, nagpunta kami sa mall. Ako, si Tess, at sina Christina at Anton. Nagpunta kami sa mall. Ngayon, ito ang mga binili namin. Ang mga gamit sa kusina ay sa asawa ko. Kay Tess ang mga ito. Ito ang bagong damit ni Christina. Ito ay kay Christina. Ito naman ang bagong sapatos ni Anton. Ang sapatos na ito ay kay Anton. Kina Christina at Anton ang mga ito. Ang mga bagay na ito ay kina Tess, Christina at Anton. At ako, ano ang binili ko? Wala. Wala akong binili kasi wala akong pera. Wakas. So there you have it. We have used a lot of the words we have learned in my previous videos. From Tagalog markers to ligatures to personal pronouns. There are a few verbs and adjectives too. Let's just spend a couple of minutes to go over the Tagalog markers. You have seen how to use the direct marker ang mga, si, sina in most of my videos. Nouns in Tagalog cannot stand alone. You need one of these markers to attach to a noun to make that noun stand. Got it? For example, ang bahay, ang mga bahay, si Tess, sina Christina at Anton. You get the idea. The indirect markers ng and ng mga are used for common nouns when these nouns are the object of the sentence. For example, gusto ko ng regalo. I want a gift. Gusto ko ng mga regalo. I want some gifts. Ni and nina are used when the object is the owner of the subject. They are the equivalent to the preposition of in English and de in Spanish. For example, ang bahay ni Anton. The house of Anton. La casa de Anton. Ang bahay ni na Anton at Christina. The house of Anton and Christina. La casa de Anton y Christina. Oblique markers, on the other hand, are also used to express ownership of something, but in an indirect manner. That's why they are called oblique. For example, ang bag ay sa asawa ko. The bag is my wife's. La bolsa es de mi mujer. Ang kwarto ay sa mga anak ko. The room is my children's. La habitación es de mis hijos. Ang bag ay kay Tess. The bag is Tess's. La bolsa es de Tess. Ang kwarto ay kina Anton at Christina. The room is Anton's and Christina's. La habitación es de Anton y Christina. You will hear these markers more often from here on as we venture into a new chapter, a huge one, and that is Tagalog verbs or pandiwa. While we are going to talk about verbs, it will be inevitable that we will also cover adjectives or pang-uri as well. I hope you won't miss those. So I will see you next time. But first, please give a thumbs up to this video. It will help this channel a lot. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please click the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you will be updated of new videos coming out regularly. With that, maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.